Hey members of Local 528, we recently sent a group of delegates down to Las Vegas to the OPCMIA 53rd Convention. So we stitched together a little montage for you to kind of see what it was like.
Welcome to Las Vegas. We made it.
What do you call strip?
You got pictures of the strip what?
3, 4 different floors.
Joey.
Is that good?
Yeah, jalapeno burger.
Oh, it is now.
Nice sculpture.
Dare you to lick it.
Alright, so
Hey, what's up? 2024 OPCMIA Convention, Day 1.
My current boss actually said, well, you could be a concrete finisher. And at that time, I didn't know what a concrete finisher.
That's for a better guy. Esther?
Prepare the committee's final report for the delegates of the 53rd OPCMIA Convention.
When it came time for the Local 528 resolution, the Strategic Planning Committee, although things didn't go the way we wanted, we really left a mark in the room and we really let people know that 528 is pushing for collaboration across all OPCMIA locals.
Yeah, my name is Eric Colfeld. I'm from Local 528 in the Northwest. I rise in support of this resolution in opposition to the recommendation of the committee.
This effort allows the international organization to provide a platform for business managers to meet and discuss their concerns and successes on a regular and consistent basis.
The proposed resolution aligns seamlessly with the goals outlined in the International Constitution's preamble.
I urge you all to support this resolution for the creation of the Strategic Planning Committee, so we can share the best practices to recruit, train, and retain like rock stars.
We also held nominations and elections for officers of the OPCMIA.
Local 11.
These are the people who won. And we made sure to get pictures of all of the officers in the Northwest locals while we were looking snazzy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The OPCMIA Convention is every 5 years. If you would like the opportunity to go next time, keep an eye on your newsletters, show up to the union meetings, and you will need to be nominated and elected for a delegate position. Thank you guys once again, and we'll see you soon.